see someone beautiful.
So we just brought Julie to Burger Bills. It's her first time here, and we just finished ordering our food. Kind of loud for some kids, but
this is our order, guys. Look at my phone case. My babies.
Samoa, if I prepare, Samoa, only Belina, what's a fear, yay. I give my 7 money at to I love you, I love fire, Samoa. I said, Money at to I love you, I love fire, Samoa, Matalasi. Wow, solo, from the Alana Paolo. The Sami Ila, Fisiluya, Elemasila. If I prefer, Nangalo to Oya Ita Samoa, Ole Penina, Ole Vesta Pacifica. Wow, solo, La Familia Lona Paolo. Besabi Ila, Fisiluya, Elemasila.
What's going on, family? So, we are here at TAUMEASINA, venue where Sera's brother's getting married. Yeah, we got rehearsals here. This place is crazy, beautiful. See ya. Check in with you guys soon.
How are you feeling? Same old. Feeling a bit nervous?
I am now.
You're nervous now? Are you even at least a little bit excited? Oh, Nick. So this is his partner, Chris. Are you ready to be Are you ready to be litty? Okay fam, so we're just here inside the reception. My voice is a bit too loud. I'm gonna bring it a bit down. We're here at the reception and we're just waiting for the other, I don't know, I think they're just sorting out what they want to see and all of that stuff. But we just have Nick here. We have the cousin, Bitsu, the bro, and honey buns, and then my brother.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Welcome.
I was just waiting for everything to be put into action.
Bro, I need to ask you, how has Samoa been to you so far? One night, but how has it been for you?
It's thank you for the question.
You're welcome.
It's been very hot.
Very, very
like my eyes
hot.
But it's been good.
It's been good. So if you don't know who Jay is, so this is Jay Sinclair. He's my brother. He's married to my sister. And yeah.
I'm supposed to look at you. Yeah. So I have to see my eyes go.
Oh honey, do you want to say anything?
Hi fam.
What's happening?
We can't show you guys too much because
we can't show you too much. It's definitely tomorrow.
A few moments later.
We have our family here. So this is Sia's. Who are you to Sia?
cousin.
Cousin. This is Sia's cousin. Nick's cousin. What's your name?
Noah.
Noah.
got him!
Sia's cousin, Longo. This is my cousin, Bitsu.
Shout out to KM.
Show your tat. Show your tat. Oh, you're not loyal. You're not loyal, guys. You're not loyal. This is Sia's brother, Nick.
Yeah, the handsome one.
No, the naughty one. He's the naughty one in the family.
Hey, the handsome one.
Let's go have a look. Sia's over here. There's the brother. There's the plug, Gasengi Moi. Hi, guys. And these are the girls. What's your name, sis? Jane. She's Sia's cousin. This is, hey sis. Hey sis, what's your name?
Sis, my name's Taya.
Taya. Yeah, and she's Sia's cousin. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Koleki from Sia's cousin.
Sia's cousin.
I am Sia's best friend, Celeste.
Oh, you're cute.
I'm Tal. I'm Sia's first cousin.
Oh, you're even cuter, girl. Oh, girl, what's your name?
I'm Rose. I'm Sia's cousin. I'm Fala. I'm Sia's cousin.
Sia's cousin.
I'm Lefan. I'm Sia's cousin.
So this is the bridal party, plus Christine all the way down there. And who are you? Are you a flower girl?
I'm Sia's cousin.
Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so this is the bride's mother.
Thank you very much.
She gets all her beautiful looks from her. And this is her sister, Jessa. Guys, it's only the rehearsal and I'm already crying. This is crying as well. You're a bit nervous? But are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
You're excited. Guys, are you a bit nervous?
Oh, we're really nervous, to be honest.
Okay guys, this is my husband's partner. I'm so happy. I'm so happy she's hot. What? No. I'm tragic right now. Okay, say something to Sia and Nigel. What are you gonna say?
Well guys, we're practicing for the big day. Sia. Yep, go back in.
Are you nervous, honey?
You know what? The only thing I'm nervous about is my walking dance because your boy ain't really got good communication, you know?
I'm gonna scream so hard for you, so don't even worry.
Okay, cool.
Kaz, are you all good? That means a no.
Free
Willy, free Willy. Sis, do you have your speech for tomorrow?
I'm just gonna freestyle.
Oh, sis.
Nah, jokes, I'm joking. I don't have it ready.
She said she's gonna freestyle. I'm gonna get that on vlog, so please.
Make sure you stay tuned for the next vlog to watch Sia and Nigel's wedding. Don't forget to stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog and like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah! Sis, are you nervous for tomorrow?
Extremely, because I have to set up all the chips and nuts.
The chips and nuts is making her go crazy.
Oh my gosh, if I don't set it up properly, no one's gonna eat.
Sis, I expect the peanuts and the chips to look really, really good.
Yes, the nuts will be nice and salty, the chips and crispy.
Do you have anything to say to Nigel and Sia?
Yes, love you both, wishing you all the best, and congratulations on me being your sister-in-law now.
Hey guys, we just left TAUMEASINA and we're going to go get a feed right now because everyone's so hungry. So where are we going, Tony?
We are going to DMC, baby!
Get that chicken. Let's go!